Okay, my name is Samantha and this is my Stackathon project. I will be taking you down another video game memory lane. In my project, Olive Oyl is trying to get Popeye's attention. He loves her, but he also loves spinach in his pipe a lot. So these things are getting in her way of getting to her man. I used Unity to do my project, and I also wrote a little bit of code thanks to Unity in C#, in VS Code. Most of my work was done in Unity, and most of my problems were in Unity as far as like camera placement and like finding materials and different things like that. But I did have a lot of fun. So let's play my game. And I hope the sound is on. So she can die 3 different ways. She can fall off. She can also get hit by this thing. This is also very user-friendly because sometimes you don't get hit by, there it goes.
Save me, Popeye!
So let's try to not get hit by it this time and actually get to Popeye. I don't want to get hit by the pipe. No!
I'll get in touch with you. Don't cause me, I'll cause you.
And she got her man. So that was my Stackathon project, everyone.